Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. This is going to be my kind of day, a Brass Fiesta style day. So I wish the girls were here, but they're off at a gender reveal party, and I don't do gender reveal parties or bridal showers, no offense. But we're going to start at home in Dublin, and then we're going to just make a tour day Georgia all around the east side of the state, doing some off-roading, some eating at cool places, getting lost, getting stuck, getting unstuck, maybe some dirt bike riding, hanging out with Ashi, and then head on back home. So I don't know where we're going, but stay tuned and let's find out. This awning ain't gonna take me long to install. I'm just gonna do it. So if I don't put that awning on there, I'm gonna regret it. Should be good. Oh, let's get it. Oh, she's happy. She's got her piece of 4x4. So she's coming. So sleeping bag, pillow, cot, testicle, spectacles, wallet, and watch. Food, tools. I'm staring at the electric dirt bike right there, or it's staring at me rather. It's kind of got me wanting to take it. I got to get out of here, y'all. These gnats are crazy. Let's get up north. So I'm like 2 hours ahead of schedule, so I got time to get breakfast before I really kind of get rolling here. And if you're ever in Dublin, Georgia, and you want some breakfast or a biscuit on the go, or go sit down and have a full-blown country breakfast, go to Luann's. Pork belly biscuit. Oh my gosh, dude, what? Hey, can I get a sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit with an extra slice of cheese?
Hot jelly or anything?
No, ma'am. Mustard, please. Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have a good day.
All right, thanks, you too. Have a good one. Biscuits, beer, Brass Fiesta. Ugh. That biscuit is freaking good. I might just need to find a parking space and do a little bit of walking. Rabin Social, that looks pretty good. All right, so I'm just pulling out of Clayton about 2 or 3 minutes ago. I just dropped a pin on, I think it's Forest Service Road 70. It's the Charlie's Creek area. There's 1,000 videos on YouTube or more that you can watch people riding that trail. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time like filming the trail or any obstacles or anything. But I just want to find a good fishing spot up here, fish for a couple hours, let Ashi run around and play, and then jet up the mountain, find like a pretty good campsite with a decent view, and then just kind of like relax. I got some noodles and ground beef to cook up. I'm a little bit worried about my dirt bike back here. This is pretty rocky, so I should be okay. Never can be too sure with water you can't see the bottom of. This is a fun trail. It's nothing too hard so far. It's just these like tight hills, tight turns. It's middle of the summer in North Georgia. Like this mountain lore and all these weeds, and they've gotten some rain up here. So I mean, it's just really overgrown. Hard to kind of see around some of these turns and knobs. This might not be smart to do by myself though. Oh. What'd I just do? Oh yeah, I'm not. Doggone, man, it's a long way back to come out here and find this. Who's done rated this a 4? I think I might just take it easy and give it a shot. It is slick too. I mean, I got to go backwards anyways. I'm not going to get stuck and not be able to back out of here. At least I doubt it. And buckle up. I feel like I should probably put Ashi outside. $10 degrees to the right. All right, this is the part that I have the most doubts about. Got a winching tree. Lose the dirt bike. I can't believe that I just did that. Y'all, I'm not like an off-road guy. Some of you off-road guys are gonna see this and be like, what is he hyped up about? I'm telling you, I've never done something like that, especially by myself. And of course my iPhone wasn't recording. So, y'all, bike looks fine, hitch hauler looks fine. This right here, I mean, some of y'all are looking at this thinking I'm being silly, but no, I'm being dead serious. And I do wish I had set a camera up here. I mean, that truck walked through there like it was nothing. I thought I was gonna start rubbing paint. I'm not mad, dude. BFG KO2's coming in for the win. Y'all come up this way already?
Yeah,
okay.
It's dark. It's gnarly out there, isn't it?
Yeah. Did y'all have to turn around, or y'all
No,
just?
no.
Oh, okay.
She's actually not with me. We just happened to go up this way.
Okay.
And I was like, screw it, I'm not going out the main road, so I just turn around and come back.
Okay. Right
yeah,
on.
I think you're good up until the gravel down the thing.
This is my first time out here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that spot up there that's washed out real bad. It's normally not like that.
Oh, really?
I mean, it's a tough spot, but that dip on like the ridge side is pretty deep.
Yeah. I almost turned around.
Well, I stopped. I've been up here a few times, and I stopped, and I was like, that's the first time I talked to him. I was like, "What do you think, man?"
Yeah.
Like what line? Because I don't want to wind up on my side.
Oh, I thought I was getting ready to rub the whole side coming up.
So I just went ahead and straddled it. It was good.
Okay. So yeah, is that the hardest part? The whole rest of the way?
100%. Yeah.
Appreciate it. You too, man. I don't know if y'all could hear him, but that guy was just telling me, I need to go back to two-wheel. All right, so there's like this weird little, it's like almost like a dirt bike play area. It's like a rock pit here, but there's these deep, deep ruts right there, and then there's this trail that goes around the top of it, but that trail is really narrow. I can't go down in that mud hole, so what I got to do is come around here to the left side, and I basically got to hug the laurel so that I don't barrel roll down into that hole. All right, there's the flip, the rollover risk out of the way, or at least that one. Watch the bike back here too. On the 4 high, and I might actually need to put the rear locker on. I could see myself getting high centered right here. Jeez. That is way steeper than I thought. I really should have took the dirt bike rack is about to get smashed. Hopefully it doesn't break. Looks good. Dirt bike rack is causing me some problems. Oh, this is not friendly looking right here. I'm gonna have to get out and look. Oh. Don't know. I think it's going to be one of those juice ain't worth the squeeze situations. I freaking bent this thing. You can see. Oh. Don't go in the water. All right, you gonna go for a run, girl? Let's go for a run. I'm about to eat all the spider webs. Oh man, I need a front fender. Go ahead. Get some water. Hey, I'm sorry. I said you were out of shape. Oh, shit, more crab spiders. I ain't a spider kind of guy. My genius butt took the mud tire off the back and put a street tire back there. Come on. Good girl. Oh. You gonna get some water? Come on. Come on, get some water. All right. Ready? I think Ashi might have enjoyed that dirt bike ride as much as I did. What do you think? Wait. Oh man, that is slick rock right there too. God, these are some big falls. I don't think you can see through there yet. I don't think I'm gonna. There's slick rock. And I can see a cliff. You can see it right through there. I was just getting ready to walk out onto that rock right there to get a picture, but right over there is a steep drop to your death. There's no telling. You really need to go to these falls from the bottom. This is sketchy. Hey, what's up guys? So thanks for watching this video. I realized when I was editing the video that I didn't have like a proper closeout, or it might have been a little bit confusing. But I edited out all the stuff where I talked about my plans to camp. I just didn't want to be confusing. But the plan was that morning was to actually camp up near Clayton or Helen. The morning when I showed up to the shop, I couldn't find my hardware for the tent because I had loaned it to somebody for a demo tent. So I mounted the awning, and my plan was to sleep under the awning on a cot, or even put up the sidewalls on the awning if I needed to. But the mosquitoes were out of control. They were worse up there near Helen on the Trey Mountain area than even down here in South Georgia. So I just made the call to come on back home that evening. So most of the video, I don't talk about any camping, or at least I tried to edit out all that stuff. So it was just a quick turn and burn up north, and I actually had a blast that day. I do wish the girls were with me, but I think I'm gonna try to maybe do some more of that little like one-nighter trips, or even just day trips to like local towns, and grab a biscuit and a beer throughout the day and do some trail riding and maybe some dirt bike rips. But either way, I had a blast, and I really appreciate you guys watching. I know every time I try to do better, or I say I'm gonna try to do better about posting regularly, but I am gonna start trying more now that school's back in. Schedules are a little bit more consistent. So we've got a bunch of stuff in the pipeline, a lot of stuff going on with Banger Outdoors, and a lot of stuff going on with Banger Rescue. So if you guys aren't already subscribed to the newsletter of Banger Outdoors, bangeroverland.com, subscribe to the newsletter. There's going to be a ton of info we push out through that regarding Banger Rescue. It's our counter sex trafficking nonprofit. If you guys want to get involved, there's a bunch of volunteer positions, a bunch of events that you can help with, a bunch of disaster relief, even counter sex trafficking work, depending on your experience. So look for that newsletter. If you subscribe, if you feel like donating, you can go to bangeroverland.com/rescue. And then there's a donate option on there as well. So again, I really appreciate even just watching the video and sharing it helps fund some of the stuff for Banger Rescue. So if you guys have any questions, my email is on the website. The phone number on the website will go directly to me. Yeah, if you guys need anything or if you like any of the equipment you saw on my truck, you can find that at bangeroverland.com. But please feel free to reach out to me anytime. Thanks, guys. Cheers.